Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Savita and today's video is about powerful Zibu symbols for attracting money. These are few Zibu symbols which can be combined together to attract money, bring abundance and prosperity in our life. Okay, so whenever we use these symbols, before that first make a wish what you have about money and then start with these symbols. The first symbol is for abundance. Okay, now this symbol when used to attract money brings lot of abundance in your life, and you can draw it like this. Next symbol is unlimited abundance. Now this looks similar to the abundance symbol, it just has 3 lines in the side. This symbol means there is no limit or boundary for attracting money. You can attract unlimited abundance. Okay, next symbol is prosperity. This symbol is for richness and abundance, and it brings prosperity in our life. Next symbol is an important symbol. It's symbol of blessings. We all need blessings for any work or any wish that we have. So this symbol will bless what we are manifesting, and whatever wish we have for money will be magnified in greater quantity. So this is also an important symbol to use. And the last symbol is of gratitude. We all must be grateful to whatever we have in our life, and by offering gratitude we focus towards the positive things and attract more abundance in our life. So these are few Zibu symbols which you can use to bring prosperity and attract money. I have already made a video about it on how to use these symbols. You can watch it at the end of the video. I'll put the link also in the description box. However, you can be more creative in using them. Okay, so for more such videos, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you and God bless you.